Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video you'll learn a really easy way how you can change your personal settings in Salesforce Lightning. So let's start. First, let's just click on your profile here and then just click settings. And the second thing you want to click is just your own username. First option, when you're gonna be in personal information, that you can add everything here, from first name to last name to street to address to my work information. It's really simple. Then you can also reset your security token, advanced user details. And there are like, this is really simple and this is really complex that you can edit. The second thing is when you're gonna here, and that's what I clicked on my name, you can edit photo here. You can also edit everything, what you like. And you got the chatter here and you can post things here. Also quite simple. So yeah, this is how you personalize your Lightning, and you can just edit whatever you want. It's really, really good. So yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching. I hope you're going to have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.